Hey, delivery. Tang guided. Look at that. This is the extra, the herbalist.
Oh, she's the herbalist.
Yeah, this is for the expansion or something. This was free. Help out the Kickstarter. Yeah, so put that on the side. You got the sleeves because you definitely want to cover this. Yeah, put that second. This was the
trees.
helping. So one thing about Thundergriff, every time you get a game, they usually plant a tree.
Oh.
So they've been doing that for every Kickstarter, and this is the Sakura tree. So man, it's so nice that you don't want to even open this expansion box. You see? Okay, so that's the sign. This is another one. Thank God. This is the swan. Oop, I'm sorry for the lighting. Maybe it turned that way. Swan. So it comes with the cards and the tokens. It's so nice. You don't want to even open this. Oh my God. Okay, let's put these on the side. And then let's see what here. You got the first box. It says Tang Garden Golden Age. This is the components. Let's see how that was. It's not as big, but this is supposed to be
Golden Age.
shiny. Oh man.
The girl with the dragon on the bridge.
So this is all the extra stuff.
Oh, this is the extra. This is not even the core game.
Yes, the stretch goals and stuff like that.
Reflection. That's more like.
Okay, so that's another one. And the next one we got. This is the expansion. See?
This is the expansion? It's not
Yeah, this is the ghost stories. As I said, don't go for the whole thing. It's too pretty. You don't want to waste any time. Look at that.
Wow, even the beautiful ghost. You see the dragon?
Yeah, this is the spirit of the dragon.
Wow.
Oh, that shines there.
Beautiful.
Look how nice that sucker is.
It's not scary at all. It's beautiful.
It's just like the spirit. And that is the core box in there. Oh, careful.
Wow.
Okay.
It's heavy.
Oh my God. Okay, let's. Anything else in
Look
there?
at this. Can you see?
Yes. Nothing in there, right?
No more.
Okay.
Empty box now. Tang Garden.
Oh, yeah. Ah. There we go. Dang.
Wow.
Look at
Look
that.
at that beautiful garden. The trees, pagoda. Wow. Look at the mountains.
So that's Tang
Little
Garden,
palm.
the core box, and then bring that on. And the Golden Age is the. And then this is the Ghost Stories expansion. And then you get the smiling ones, swan, or the actually not big, it's an apricot tree.
The herbalist. Way down.
Oh, and what? That's pretty much it. Okay, we definitely have to do unboxing. Yes, okay. So you don't even want to open it. Of course you want to open it. Okay.